Hi, welcome to my miniature art and design channel. Today I'm making a bed from IKEA in white. The measurements provided offer a great way to scale to 1/12 inch. Cut two 4-inch legs from a 3/16 inch dowel and a 3.5 inch tall by 4 inch wide headboard. Now cut two legs, each 1.5 inches, and a 1 by 4 inch footboard. Then cut the two side pieces at 5 by 1 inch. Glue the sides to the footboard. I added some corner angles to strengthen the connection. Attach the headboard. Next, I cut 5 half-inch pieces to hold the mattress in the bed frame. Make sure to glue them on the inside so they don't show. I made the mattress from 1-inch foam I got at Michael's. Now I'm making the fitted sheet out of an old pillowcase. Cut this shape, then fold the corners together and sew, pulling the thread to create the ruching. After trying the mattress in the bed, I realized you couldn't see the fitted sheet, so I added some pieces of wood to raise it up. Now it looks more like the real IKEA bed. I'm cutting the flat sheet and ironing the edges for sewing. You can also use a sewing machine if you have one, but I'd like to show how everything can be made by hand using the most basic of tools. I always like to fold the fabric in half, then sew down the sides for my pillows. I'm making a set of colorful toy blocks. As this diorama is a child's bedroom, I just cut some tiny lumber and painted each one. This is an IKEA pillowcase I'm using to make the comforter. Stuff the inside with flattened batting. This color is called Mountain River by Valspar Paints. Now I'm making the curtain by using the edge of the pillowcase, which is already sewn, and putting a 4-inch dowel inside. Sew the edges of the dowel so the gathered fabric stays in place. For the animal decals, I used a painting I made, but you can use any colorful paper. I drew my own design for an animal shape on the back, then cut out with an X-Acto blade. A little pig, a little bear, a little duckling. I mixed a custom color for the bed. It is white, but it has some gray blue in it. Now for the fun part. That ruching on the fitted sheet is so cute, so soft. The flat sheet, the comforter, the pillows. The curtain turned out so cute. And for the final touch, the wall decals. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.